Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to review a product which is called as Toonzer. As you can see, this particular thing, this is my bonus page. I have prepared a lot of bonuses for you as well. But this is a 3D cartoon character and video maker platform which you will see in details. I will tell you everything in details. But let me make it very clear that if you buy this product from the link in the description, then I will get some commissions from your purchase without you paying anything extra for the product. Why I'm getting this? Because I'm referring you to the product creator. That is why he will give me with some commission percentage. Okay. So I have prepared a lot of bonuses for you as well. Let me show you the bonuses. This is my bonus page for Toonzer, and at the end you can see the bonus number 1, 2, 3, 4 bonuses are there, and all these bonuses will be yours if you buy this product from the link in the description. We will discuss about the bonuses, we will discuss about the product, everything in details. So let's get started. Hey guys, welcome. So as you can see right here, that this particular thing is the world's first AI based 3D cartoon character generator platform to create unlimited stunning videos in any niche in just 30 seconds. Okay, and unique video and image editor with thousands of ultra HD video templates. Use and sell unlimited 3D characters and videos to your clients with commercial license. If you are in any of YouTuber, affiliate marketer, digital marketer, everything, if you are, then you can use this Toonzer app. Okay, professional 3D characters and video maker cloud-based platform. Generate unlimited unique 3D cartoon characters for your projects. 100% AI-based platform. Inbuilt image to cartoon converter tool. Extra royalty-free assets with no copyrights. Then get thousands of HD video templates with video editor. Commercial license included. No limitations and completely free. Sell unlimited assets and videos to earn like big boys. No special skills or experience required, and $200 refund if it does not work for you. This is a big claim that they will give you $200 refund if you are not able to make, or if this does not work for you, then you can get a refund of $200. Okay, so grab Toonzer now for an 81% discount. All of these software which launches, they launch for a very minimum price, but when they grab that particular audience or when they become big, then they charge you a lot to create the same thing which you can get at a very low discount at the initial prices or the initial time. Okay, so I guess if you are doing anything online, then it will be a very much good thing for you to buy right now, because otherwise all the other things which are out there right now, which are very much costly, but this particular thing is very much cheaper because it's launching right now. Okay, so start your own 3D character assets and video agency in 3 simple steps. What are the steps? Login and select 1 lakh plus combinations of 3D characters. Then easily customize the characters as per your requirement, and review and download in a one click from the Toonzer app. Okay, it will work. What you can do with that AI powered 3D character, copyright free illustrations, then complete design suite, image to cartoon converter, and a lot of things are right here, as you can see. Before telling you anything extra about the product or going into the details of it, let me show you what are the things you will get from my side if you buy this Toonzer app from the link in the description. Okay, so this is my bonus page for Toonzer. As you can see, this is the bonus page for Toonzer, and here is the timer. We will discuss about the timer a little bit later. Here is the demo video of it, and I have briefed about this product a little bit, and we will discuss about the sales funnel as well. But here, as you can see, the bonus number 1 which I am going to give you if you buy this product will be how to use Toonzer video on YouTube to make money. Okay, so you can use the Toonzer app to make money on YouTube, which I will give you as my bonus number 1, which is a way of how to encash this particular thing which is called as Toonzer. Okay, this will be my bonus number 1, and it will be very much helpful for you if you grab this particular thing right now from my link. Number 2 will be advanced video marketing for Toonzer videos. So when you have the videos, then how to market those videos or how to make money through that videos or any video out there will be very much helpful to have that particular knowledge, because if you buy this particular thing, then knowing how to use it will be a very much good, or will make you a lot of money, which otherwise you wouldn't have made. Okay, so my bonus number 2 will be the thing which will show you how to encash this particular thing. Bonus number 1 was on YouTube. Bonus number 2 is video marketing, how to do video marketing. Okay, the bonus number 3 is get traffic to Toonzer videos using the simple trick, or how to get traffic anywhere or your Toonzer videos, or when you have the traffic, then you have the money, because traffic is money nowadays. The more traffic you have, the more data you have, the more people with you have, the more money you are going to make right now online, which is why everyone is going towards the traffic or towards the data, as you may say. So my bonus number 3 will show you what are the best ways to get traffic to your Toonzer videos, which will be very much helpful for you if you buy this Toonzer app from the link in the description right now. Okay, and the bonus number 4 is a special bonus, which is all vendor bonuses. The product creator have a lot of bonuses which you can get. There are tons of bonuses which the product creator had, which you can get right now if you buy this product from me. Then all that bonuses which the product creator had, I will give it, or I will pass on to you for completely free without any charge, and that is why you need to take action right now and buy this product from the link in the description. Okay, but there is a catch, and that particular catch is this timer. When this timer hits 0, you will not get to able to ask me for the bonuses. All the bonuses, all the things are automatic. You can get the bonuses after this timer hits 0, but it will not be my responsibility. Before it is solely my responsibility to give you the bonuses, but after it, the timer hits 0, it is completely your luck and your choice. Sorry, not your choice, but your luck. You will get the bonuses or not. Okay, but before the timer hits 0, it is solely my responsibility. Just ping me, and I will give you manually all the bonuses which are out there, or which I have promised. Okay, all you need to do is simply click on any of these yellow buttons, and when you click on these yellow buttons, you will get all the bonuses directly transferred to your account. You will land on the sales page of Toonzer, which is this one, and when you grab Toonzer from this link, then all the bonuses will be transferred to your account directly. Okay, so let us go to the Toonzer app again, and let us see what this product is a little bit in details. This is what people are making in just 2 hours. When you apply it correctly, then you can make this amount of money as well. Okay, in 3 hours, in a week, this much amount of money you will make. So video marketing is a very big industry, and you can make a tons of money from video marketing if you apply it correctly, or if you are able to make that particular thing, or if you can make or encash properly, which I have made a lot of easier for you with my bonuses. So do not miss my bonuses for this particular thing. Okay, so it is definitely the next big trend, 3D illustration, and there are a lot of things which are right here in the sales page, which you can see what people are charging. I will create on various platforms. So as you can see, I will create amazing videos for your website, illustration for your website for $15, $45, design 3D illustration for your web and social media for $45. Okay, a lot of things are right here. You can get to see everything in details at your leisure, just come on this page. All you need to do is to come on this page. What you can do is click the link in the description. You will land on my bonus page. Okay, you will land on this page. From this page, if you click any of these yellow buttons which states click here to secure your copy and your bonuses, you will land on the bonus page of Toonzer. Okay, on the sales page of Toonzer. From here, if you click on any of these buttons and buy this product, all the bonuses will be transferred to your account, and this particular page you can read out everything in detail, in complete details. Okay, so this is what all about Toonzer. Now let us see this particular sales funnel of this product. Sales funnel is what the sales funnel is. Sales funnel means you are seeing the front end product, which is of $22, as you can see right here. The front end product is $22. When you buy this particular thing, which is of $22, then you will see a lot of adjacent products as well, which will just enhance the performance of the previous product. Okay, like the second one is unlimited, which is for $39. What is unlimited? You will get to know that this particular front end product which you are seeing or getting at $22 will not have unlimited. It will have a decent amount of decent limit, but if you want it to be unlimited, then you can get it for $39. Okay, then you will get a done for you version, which is a $197. At $197, what you can get is you can get to see a lot of projects done for you, which you can simply just go and encash on various platforms are out there, and using a lot of methods which I have showed in my bonuses. So if you want it, then you will land on that particular page of done for you. You can directly go and use those projects, all done for you projects for $197. Okay, then you have the done for you traffic. Done for you traffic means all the traffic will be directly going to your videos for $57, which I'm giving you for free. So you will not need that thing, but if you want it so badly, then you can go for it. It is a $57. It will must have other traffic sources as well, other than which I have given you for free on my bonuses, so you can go for it as well. Okay, then front end 5 or $67, then reseller rights are $197, and white label rights for $1,000, $997. Okay, white label means this branding will be yours and everything are out there, which is white label. The complete thing will be yours for you to sell or do whatever you want. You can sell it as well. Everything you can do, and you will get to see the details when you land on that particular pages. Okay, you are having a 180-day money back guarantee, so it will be very much helpful for you. And all the bonuses, let me show you again. The bonus number 1 which I am going to give you will be how to use Toonzer video on YouTube and make money through it. Bonus number 2 will be advanced video marketing for Toonzer videos. So how to do video marketing through Toonzer videos. Okay, bonus number 3 will be how to get traffic to Toonzer videos using this simple hack. And the bonus number 4 will be all the better bonuses will be transferred to your account directly. Okay, so this is what all about the Toonzer product is. If you have any doubt regarding to the product, definitely leave a comment down below on the comment section. I will definitely reply to every doubt or every query are out there which arises. And so that's the end of this video. If you found this video to be helpful, then give a like. Kindly subscribe to the channel. It helps on reaching other videos as well. And do share this video if you found this video to be helpful with others who are using or are on video creation. And that's all for this video. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.